Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick informative video. So today we're doing the unboxing of the much awaited Moto E5 Plus. This is the Boost Mobile variant. As you can see, a lot of people have been talking about this. It just came out on Boost Mobile and everybody wants to know what are the specs and how it looks and all that stuff. So I just got my my phone today in the mail. I literally just opened it up and I'm like, hey, let's go ahead and unbox it. So let's get to it, guys. As you can see, this is the Boost Mobile variant of it. So it says unlimited data, talk, and text. Pretty cool. It says the Moto E5 Plus. It's a 6-inch HD Max Vision display. Talk time up to 43.6 hours. Geez, I think that's the most I've seen in a phone. That's pretty crazy. 32 gigabytes of ROM, 3 gigabytes of RAM. These two specs right there alone are probably like the best budget phone that Boost Mobile has at this price. Now remember, guys, you can get this phone at about $150. You could with flash sale get it for about $120. I actually got with express shipping and everything was about $180. But if not, it's about $170. Like I said, I just paid the extra $12 to get it quicker. So this is the first time I'm actually going to be using a 3 gigabyte of RAM Boost Mobile phone, but 32 gigabytes of ROM, so 32 gigs of internal storage. We'll see how much you can actually use. 3 gigs of RAM, of course. It has a 1.4 gigahertz octa-core processor. So let's see, on the right you have nothing but, you know, whatever, some wording and stuff, warning. On the left you just have the no contract. So in the back, let's get to it. So here's the back of it. So you can see Moto E5 Plus, 6-inch HD Max Vision display, 5,000 milliamp battery. Guys, wow, this my for the specs and the price might be the budget phone king of Boost Mobile, but who knows? Let's see. Up to 1.5 days of battery with turbo power. Wow, so what, turbo charging? And like I said, we'll test all that out. You already know I'm going to test this phone fully. 4G LTE, LTE Plus with 2 times 20 CA and HPUE, or carrier aggregation, I believe it's called. 1.4 gigahertz octa-core processor. 32 gigabytes of ROM, 3 gigabytes of RAM. Android OS, which does run Android 8.0. 12 megapixel main camera with a 8 megapixel front-facing camera. Wow. Like I said, are these best specs of Boost? I don't know. Like I said, let's go ahead and pop it open. And now, everybody knows that they hate the back to open it. It's just so hard. I mean, they super glue this. I don't know, Gorilla Glue this thing. So we'll get back to it when it's unboxed. There you go, guys. So as you can see, I finally was able to unglue it. As you can see, they just, I mean, super glue this thing on there. But it's nice. And let me just show you one more thing on the box. So it says pick plan, activate, and payment. So basically you pick a plan, you activate the phone online or over the phone, and then you make a payment. So let's see how well it looks. See, I like it. Boost Mobile's packaging now. It's a little bit different. But good lord, it's in there alright. So look at that. Whoa, look at that. So check it out, guys. Look at this. So there we go. Here's the box. Looks very, very nice. So let me put this aside so we can focus on this. So it's a box within a box. So it's pretty cool. This reminds me of the Moto E5 Play, but this is the Plus version. So look at that. I like how embedded that is. Just real nice details. Just the logo. Look at this. This looks like a premium product. So let's get to it. At the bottom you have nothing. The top you just have this kind of like checkerboardy star-like. On the right side of it you have the Moto E5 Plus with the Motorola stickers. And then on the left side you just have Moto. Then in the back is where you get more Motorola information. Includes what it tells you what it includes and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and pop it open, guys. So I got my handy dandy kitchen knife. So let's go ahead and pop this thing open. Call it my little Rambo knife because it does the job. So there we go. Dun, 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 dun. Let's pop it open. Whoa, look at this thing, man. Look at this thing. Very nice. It's huge, man. This phone is big. It's 6 inches. Wow. Look at this thing, guys. So we'll get back to this in just a little bit. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. So once you pop it open, as you can see, here are the internals of it. So you do have, wow, look at this brick charger. It's pretty big. Turbo power, so as you can see, let me see if I can focus it. It says turbo power, there you go. Then you do have your charging cable. It is micro, so it's not type C or anything like that, so that kind of sucks. But it'll be alright, And then of course, wow, look at this, guys. You actually get a gel case, which is funny because I actually ordered a case. I totally forgot this one came with a gel case, but it's nice to have so I can protect the back. So I'll probably go ahead and return my gel case that I ordered. So it is real nice. It does come with a gel case. Also has your SIM unlock toolkit right here, and then your little legal manual, all that stuff. So it's pretty cool. So let's put that back. And we'll actually go and look at the phone now. So here we go, guys. Very nice. So let's see what it has. So fingerprint reader. So this one does have a fingerprint reader, which is back here. It's actually in, I don't know why mine's so dusty. I don't know if it just came like that from the factory or what, but I don't know if you can see it. It's really dusty. So here we go with 5,000 milliamp battery plus turbo power, 6-inch max vision display, 12 megapixel camera with laser autofocus. Wow, that's really nice. I'm gonna test that out. Reflective wave design, so the back, fingerprint reader, Moto expressions. So here you go. On the top, you do have your front-facing flash with your 8 megapixel. Yep, 8 megapixel front-facing camera. So that's pretty nice. You have your Moto logo down here, and then in the back. Well, let's look at the side first. So your power button is right here on the right side. Your volume rockers on the right side as well. So you have your volume up, your volume down. So here's the back of it, guys. Really nice. Looks like glass, but it's like a plastic. You can really hear it. I remember everybody was talking with the Moto G6 Play. It was glass. It's not glass. It looks like glass, but it's plastic. Fingerprint sensor. You have your cameras right here, which I don't know. This one looks like it's busted. I don't even know what that camera is for, but I don't know if it's just for display, but it looks like it's, I don't know if, let me try to focus it. There you go. I don't know. It's so shiny. Look at that. The surface is just so shiny. Good Lord. You have your SIM door right here. On the top, you do have your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. On the bottom, you do have your charging port. And this phone is pretty thick, actually. I don't know if you can see it, but I mean, it's pretty thick. So that's the phone, guys. You can't remove the battery or anything like that. It's huge battery either way. So let's go ahead and do the first boot up. Just take the little plastic off, get a little shock there. So let's go ahead and power this thing up. Like I said, it's a big phone, man. Look at that. Good Lord. Look, my hand comparison. Let me just show you a quick comparison so you can kind of see it. So this is the iPhone, this is Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus right here compared to it. I mean, it's about that same size. So here we go. Here's the Moto. You can see it's coming on. And then I'll go ahead and restart this back when I'm done going through the configurations. Alright guys, so as you can see now it's actually powered up and everything. It didn't take that long, but you know, you can set up your fingerprint scanner or fingerprint and all that stuff, but I didn't do that. I just kind of skipped through it. But look at it, guys. I'm telling you, I have pretty big hands, but I mean, this phone's just huge. I mean, look at that. That's me stretching my whole hand out. So that's the first thing that I noticed with this phone. It's really tall. It's really tall. I mean, 6 inches and, you know, super max vision display. You can really tell on here. So let's go ahead and see more of it. So as you can see on the top, it says Sprint because I haven't activated it yet. As you can see, this is Motorola OS or Motorola Skin. So you do have an FM radio. That's one cool thing about Motorola. I do like their wallpaper. This is the wallpaper that came with it, guys. So it is stock wallpaper. I just like that orange. I don't know, it pops so much. So let's go ahead and see just quick things on it. So as you can see, there it is. So it's downloading all the stuff since I just connected it to Wi-Fi. But let's see the drop-down menu. Let's make it a little bit brighter, maybe. Good Lord, look how bright that is. So it says Sprint, Wi-Fi calling, battery saving, battery saver, do not disturb, flashlight. So let's see, pretty bright flashlight. Let's see what else we have. Anti-rotate, Bluetooth, and airplane mode. So let me actually lower the brightness a little bit so you can kind of see that a little bit. There we go. Pretty cool. As you can see, I have 59% battery. So all is good. So let's see what else. Oh, there's your Google. Scroll up. Here's your app drawer. So let's see what preloaded apps. So Amazon Shopping, Calculator, Calendar, Caller ID, Camera, Chrome, Clock, Contacts, Stocks. Pretty cool Lookout. Of course, you have your Android messaging app. Lookout. What's that? Motorola notifications. Moto. So here's the Moto Actions. Doesn't have a dedicated photo app because you have Google Photos, Slides, YouTube. On the speaker, as you can see, you might be asking. That's the first thing I get asked. Where's the speaker on this phone? Guys, the speaker actually is in the front. Yep. So it's not in the back. It's right here. That's your earpiece right there. So it's pretty cool. As you can see, look at this phone, guys. I just like it so much. It's just so beautiful. There, good Lord. So yeah, let me go ahead and update my my Google services before this thing crazies out. But yeah, guys, a little quick look at it. Gotta be quiet. Let's see the camera real quick. Nah, that's for another. Let's go actually into our settings and see what it is. So network, you do have your network and internet settings. As you can see here they are, hotspot, all that good stuff. Airplane mode, connection device, apps and notifications, battery, display. So let's just see the battery. Wow, last full charge is 112 days. Good Lord, that's kind of weird. Last full charge was 112 days ago, huh? So I don't know if that's weird or what, but there you go. Storage, let's see how much storage we get. First time you see this, guys. Wow, look at that. It only used 6.7 gigabytes out of 32. I know that the Stylo 4, I think on Boost, used almost half of it. So that's crazy. It's pretty cool. This one only used 6.7 gigs out of 32. So you still have quite a bit of storage left. Storage manager. What is that? Remove photos, videos over 90 days. So it's pretty cool. So the system only uses, as you can see right here, 5.7 gigabytes. Security, of course, fingerprint and all that stuff. Security update, find my device, swipe lock. It's just some quick stuff. Now let's see what version this is running. So let me show you. As you can see right here, guys, it is Android version 8.0. Last security patch was April 1st, 2018. So pretty cool, guys. That's the unboxing of the new Moto E5 Plus. This is on Boost Mobile. It's pretty cool. So let me show you all that comes in. So if you stayed to the end of this video, what do you think so far? This phone versus Stylo 4. I mean, good Lord. Good Lordy Lord. I don't know, man. It's a fight to the finish. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragon Warfare signing off. Let me know what you think of this. Hopefully I did a good job with the unboxing. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Stay tuned because you know how good I review these phones just for you guys.